Question 1. The child blank spoken to his parents before going on the trip. Option C is the correct option. Had. Question 2. Imarsad blank has teeth before breakfast every morning. Option C. Cleans. Question 3. Many times every winter in Skardu it snows. Option A is the right option. Question 4. Work hard blank you should fail. Lest. Option B is the right option. Question 5. Citizens are blank stricter immigration laws. Option A asking for. The leader as well as his brothers blank to the same tribe belongs to the same tribe. Option B is the right option. Question 7. Passengers blank to smoke in the train are not allowed to smoke in the train. Option D is the right option. Can you blank a few lines from word to prove that he is a poet of nature? Cite. Option D is the right option. I enjoy playing. Option C is the right option. The path blank paved so we were able to walk through the path had been paved. Option A is the right option. Choose the correct sentence. Sentence D is correct sentence. Choose the correct sentence. The village folk were present. Option A. Question 13. Every person must learn blank to make wise use of his time. Question 14. Catherine made her children blank chores on Sunday. Do some. I always blank defy any authoritarianism. Have and will. Option B. As you have not prepared your work, you are not likely to do well this time. Question 17. Choose the correct sentence. Option B is the right sentence. He threw it out the window. He was blank in bed all day yesterday. Lying. Option B is the right option. I eagerly look forward blank seeing you again. 2. She has let blank her house fully furnished to a Korean couple. Out. Let out. You can always count on me. I will not let you down. Option B is the right option. Styles blank popular in the 1960s are reappearing in high fashion boutiques. Option D that were. Wasim blank this him as MD for many years, but he is rather unhappy with his salary. Option D has been working. Tahira as well as her brother blank responsible for the loss and they must be made to make up for it. Is option A is right option. She blank her parents. They must be worried about her health. She had better call her parent. Option A is the right option. Which of the sentences is correct? B sentence is correct. Last year I went to India. Question 27. Which verb is not in the past tense? He verbs. Which verb is not in the present tense? She listened. Which verb is not in the future tense? He lives. Option D. Question 30. What tense is the verb in this sentence? I go to home from work at 6:30 p.m. Option B past. What tense is the verb in this sentence? The children are playing outside. Option D present continuous. Question 32. What tense is the verb in this sentence? I will take you in my car. Future. What tense is the verb in this sentence? They go to college on Mondays. Simple present. Question 34. Which tense would you use for describing last year's holiday? Past tense. Which tense would you use for talking about next weekend? Future tense. Option C. Which tense would you use for talking about your daily routine? Present. Which tense would you use for talking about your childhood? Past. Which tense would you use for talking about the area where you live? Present. Option B is the right option. What is the tense of this question? Did you go to the chemist's on your way home? Option C, simple past. What is the tense of this question? Was there anybody in when you called? Past. Option A. Question 41. What is the tense of this question? Will Tom be able to mend that broken window? Future. Option C. Question 42. What is the tense of this question? What are the shops like around here? Present. Question 43. What is the tense of this question? What will you do when this course finishes? Future. Drove is the past of drive. Yes, it is true. Pilled is the past of pill. No, pal. Question 46. Was is the past of is. Yes. Was is the past of is. True. Question 47. Which word goes in the gap? You come again tomorrow. Will you come again tomorrow? Option C is the right option. Which word goes in the gap? You hear the thunder last night. Did you hear thunder last night? Option A. Which word goes in the gap? You eat meat every day. Do you eat meat every day? Option B is the right option. Question 50. Which word goes in the gap? How many times your family eat together these days? Do your family eat together these days? Option B is the right option.